Let's do an example together. The figure below shows a right triangle with squares made from the lengths of the sides of the right triangle. According to Pythagorean theorem, what must be the area of the missing square? So just to be clear, this example is not aligned with Converse. This is just using Pythagorean theorem that we've been doing all along. So let's go ahead and look at it. So if you look at your right triangle, I'm just going to highlight which ones are the legs. So I can see that this is a leg, and I can see that this is a leg, and I know that those are my legs because those are the two sides that come together to form the right angle. So that means I need to find the length of the hypotenuse. I already know the lengths of the legs. So if you look at these two legs, we know Pythagorean theorem is, I'm going to go ahead and show my work on these blanks here. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. They've already done the work for us. They've already taken 7 squared and gotten the area of 49. They've also already done 5 squared to give us the answer of 25. So what we have to determine is c squared. So all we really need to do is solve this equation. So I need to add the 49 and the 25, which is 74. So 74 is equal to c squared. On most of the problems that we've done so far, we've taken this equation and we've taken it to the next step where we take the square root of 74. And that helps us to figure out what's c. And we could still do that. We could easily do that, and we could see that c is going to be equal to the square root of 74. Now that's not a perfect square, so I don't want you to approximate it and try to get an answer with a decimal. Let's just leave it as the square root of 4, because if you look back at the actual question, the question is asking us to find the area of the missing square. They're not asking us to find c. So actually, we don't really even need to know what c is. We already know the area. We just figured it out using Pythagorean theorem. We know that this number squared is going to be 74. So that means the area is 74 square inches.